Hello there, this is James and you're watching Tixee Live, and a very good afternoon to all of you, and all of you a very happy Wednesday. In today's little program, I'm just going to briefly discuss some very scary data coming out of the US, and a little bit more about how dollar is maintaining to basically, dominate the majors. But before we get into that, don't forget, these little videos are for educational purposes only, and in no way whatsoever should ever be taken as financial advice. I always suggest you do your own research and do your own due diligence, and of course, know the risks at hand before entering any trade. With that out of the way, let's get started. So we have had some scary data come out from the United States today. Okay, some very scary data. First of all, U.S. durable goods was announced at 0%. 0% versus the 0.6% expected. Don't forget, U.S. durable goods are purchases of long-term products, longer lifespan products like cars and boats and things like that. So that was very, very disappointing to the market. Pending home sales came in at negative 1% versus the negative 4%. Not so bad, but it still underlines that the property market in the US is slowing down. But something which is even more scarier than that, a study has recently been published which says that 1 in 6 US households are behind with their utility payments. 1 in 6. So that means 1 in 6 households or families are struggling to pay their electricity bills. So that is very, very scary. So yes, by all means, we are got to slow down in the property market. Our families are already struggling with making payments already. Average income is sort of steady, but still that can change like that. And at the same time, we've got the market who is scared that the Fed is raising interest rates too quickly, and then will push us into a strong recession. So as you can see, we do have a lot of fear on the market. Other news as well, oil is trading near a 3-week high. This is all down to the fact that OPEC Plus has threatened to cut production if Iran returns to the oil market. So again, like I said yesterday when I was on the road, it doesn't seem we can catch a break, does it? It just doesn't seem we can catch a break. Let's have a quick look at the markets anyway now, see where everything is. And like I said, we have continued to have dollar strength. As you can see, oil is currently trading at $94.11. Okay, on the back of those threats by OPEC. There was a key area there at $89.54. I'm watching now $94.77 as a potential area of interest. Brent as well. Brent is up higher, currently trading at $99.88. So both are trading around a 3 weeks high. If you look at the euro, my lord, the euro is having a very, very bad time of it. It's now currently testing that key level of 0.9928. It currently trades at 0.9913. When will we see it go down to 0.98? That is very, very scary. The sterling, again, is struggling as well. Dollar strength across the board, currently trading at 1.1761. So yeah, dollar strength again. We look at the dollar yen pushing higher, 137.19. Many analysts now believe we will soon see it hit its 14-year high again of 139.06. So they reckon that is on the cards again at some point. Dollar Swiss franc, let's have a look at that, because we've seen, like I say, total dollar domination. Yes, higher again, of course. Current trading is 0.9686. And how about the markets in general? How's the S&P doing? Still slightly under pressure, trading around 4,100 131 points above that key area, though, that key level of interest, which I'm keeping an eye on, which is 4.0999, so 4,099 points. So there we go. We still have, like I say, risk-off sentiment, strong dollar across the majors, pretty much the same story we've had all week. So yeah, what's up next? Well, basically, the market certainly remains under a lot of pressure, as we can see, but it's all about the Jackson Hole, which starts tomorrow, and all about Jay Powell's speech on Friday. Will that put a nail in the coffin for the market? That is the key event. So like I say, we still also have the US GDP, which is happening tomorrow, which, of course, I will be doing a watch-along for that event. So please come and join me. That's at 12:20 p.m. UTC. Expectation is negative 0.7%. But let's see how it comes out, because that should be quite scary. But anyway, as the market currently stands, you've got the FTSE currently trading at negative 0.33%. DAX currently trading slightly higher, 0.08%. And Eurostock 50 currently trading at 0.54%. But really, at the moment, the market is just really waiting for Jackson Hole. But that data coming from the US, 1 in 6 households are struggling to pay their electricity bills. That, for me, is incredibly scary. Very scary indeed. Now, don't forget, you can ask me questions anytime you wish, or simply say hello if you like. Or share me your opinion on what you think about the markets. It is a live broadcast, so you can communicate with me anytime you wish, or ask me anything whenever you wish. It's not a problem. Don't forget that. Okay, well, if there is no questions, don't forget you can put, if you think of a question later, you can put it in the comment section, either on Facebook or YouTube. I will see them, and next time I go live, I'll answer them live on air. So don't bear in mind that option as well. Okay, well, we've got a little bit more shorter episode today than usual, because like I said, the market is waiting for Jackson Hole now. But don't forget, I'll be back online tomorrow again at 8 a.m. UTC, and again tomorrow at 2 p.m. UTC. And of course, my watch along at 12:20 p.m. UTC. Come and watch me watch the US GDP. Will there be fireworks again? Anyway, as I always say, if you're watching me on Facebook and you enjoyed this little episode, by all means, give us a follow. If you're watching us on YouTube and you've liked this little episode, subscribe if you like. Hit the notification button so you know next time I'm going live. If you enjoyed this little video and you put up with me, my over-the-top enthusiasm in the markets, I just can't help because I love the market. Give me one of those. It's nice to know that you like what I do. I can see I've got a like already. Anyway, till next time, don't forget, these little videos are for educational purposes only, and in no way whatsoever should ever be taken as financial advice. I always suggest you do your own research and do your own due diligence. And of course, there are risks at hand before entering any trade. Till next time, every single one of you, trade safe.